Hey there, fellow travelers. Are you ready for a virtual journey with me? Today, we'll be exploring one of the most enchanting and iconic cities in the world, Agra. Welcome to Agra, the city that holds the emblem of love and architectural brilliance, the magnificent Taj Mahal. But Agra is so much more than just the Taj Mahal. So, let's dive into the heart of this city and explore its rich history and vibrant culture. Situated on the banks of the Yamuna River in the northern state of Uttar Pradesh, Agra has a history that dates back to the ancient period. With a myriad of monuments, forts, and palaces, this city has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, leaving behind a treasure trove of historical marvels. Our first stop is the iconic Taj Mahal, the epitome of love and an architectural masterpiece. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan in the 17th century, this ivory-white marble mausoleum is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Its intricate designs, symmetrical layout, and ethereal beauty will surely leave you enchanted. Now, let's take a pause from history and indulge our taste buds in Agra's culinary delights. The diverse street food scene here is a true foodie's paradise. From mouth-watering pedha, a famous sweet made from pumpkin, to the scrumptious tandoori chicken, Agra offers a culinary adventure like no other. Now, let's take a pause from history and indulge our taste buds in Agra's culinary delights. The diverse street food scene here is a true foodie's paradise. From mouth-watering pedha, a famous sweet made from pumpkin, to the scrumptious tandoori chicken, Agra offers a culinary adventure like no other. To experience the vibrant local life, we head to Sadar Bazaar, Agra's bustling marketplace. Get ready to shop till you drop, as you navigate through the narrow lanes brimming with shops selling handicrafts, leather goods, and exquisite marble souvenirs. It's the perfect place to find a memento to cherish your visit to Agra. While the Taj Mahal often steals the spotlight, Agra is home to many other architectural marvels. One such gem is Itimadud-Daula's tomb, also known as the Baby Taj. This smaller, yet equally exquisite, marble mausoleum showcases intricate inlay work and serene gardens, beautifully preserving the legacy of a noble Persian minister. Agra is also renowned for its rich craftsmanship. From beautifully embroidered garments to delicate marble inlay work, the artistry of the locals is truly awe-inspiring. Take a moment to witness their skills and even try your hand at crafting something memorable to take home. As we wrap up our virtual tour of Agra, it's evident that this city holds an inexhaustible wealth of culture, history, and art. From the grandeur of the Taj Mahal to the bustling markets, Agra enchants visitors from across the globe. Remember, there's so much more waiting to be discovered beyond the guidebooks. If you enjoyed this virtual journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel content, and share this video with fellow adventurers. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep falling in love with the wonders of our beautiful world.